bug.
This is Ron, Shay, and Isaiah eating a live mealworm. Ready? Go! Ready? Go! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! You gotta chew it! Damn! You just swallowed it whole! You gotta chew it first. Ew! It's gonna crawl back up!
I chewed it. I did one little.
Oh! It's gonna. It's gonna.
I told you it tastes like chicken.
Ew! It's gonna crawl back up. That is disgusting. It's gonna start crawling back up your throat.
Look at it.
It's juicy.
That's nasty.
It's gluing up. Guts.
You're a wimp. You can never survive in Fear Factor.